Hey everyone, it's your girl Mary and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. If you haven't pressed the subscribe button already, make sure you do so. If you want to be the first to know when I'm dropping new content, make sure you press that little bell icon. Anywho, this video is all about how I decided to organize my makeup supply. Now, if you don't want to stick around for the chit chat part, you just want to see the organization, I got you. I understand. You can go down in the description box down below and go ahead and see exactly when the organization of this video starts. However, this video is super important to me. The reason this video is so important to me is because it's much bigger than just organizing makeup. It's the fact that I'm in a big transition in my life right now. I'm actually in a space where I'm trying to be a bit more conscious of what I bring into my home and what I put onto my body. For those of you who've been rocking with me for a little bit, you may be aware that I have a show, or I used to have a show called Healthy Living in the Bronx, where I was on a mission to highlight people and organizations helping Bronx residents live a healthier life. The reason why this is so important to me is because I feel like many communities, especially communities of color, are not aware or do not have the resources to understand that we have alternatives and different approaches to how to heal ourselves, how to take care of ourselves in terms of wellness. So as you see that cleaning out my makeup in this video, I do a lot of things that are, I try to be a bit sustainable. I'm trying to introduce myself to cleaner products. I still have a lot of conventional products. I was thinking about doing a whole series about going clean, but I was worried that it may not be feasible for everyone because cleaner products tend to be a bit more expensive than, let's say, your drugstore products. So I am on a mission to try to find the balance between the two. Ready to get organized? I know I am. Let's go. Step number 1, you want to define the categories. You want to make sure that you are going through all your makeup. So if you have makeup laying in your purse or on a coffee table or whatever, you want to make sure you get it all into one spot. So as you can see, my drawers are super messy. There's no organization at all. Like, why is there... What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, here's a pro tip. You might actually want to get a piece of paper and actually write down your categories because it may be different for you. Like me, I want to put all my eye stuff in one place. I want to put all my lip stuff in one place, but I did want to separate my glosses from my lipsticks. So you might want to make sure that you have enough containers and things like that to fit all your categories. So writing it down on a piece of paper is a good idea. Step number 2, you want to make sure you get containers. Because I'm being a bit more sustainable, I simply went through my house and found containers that I've already used, and I'm also using just shoe boxes that I've had lying around. All my containers are from the Dollar Tree, so super affordable, economical, and again, like, I didn't buy anything new for this because I had these laying around my house. If you want to buy a container too, I'm quite sure Amazon or the Container Store have some great options. Lined up and you have, all your products are in one place, you want to go on to step number 3. Step number 3, go ahead and start to separate your items based on the categories that you have listed into its proper container. As you're going through this separation process, you're actually going to lead into step number 4.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
So this is part of step 1. Remember when I said you want to make sure you start organizing your stuff by category? So this is all my face stuff, mostly like foundations. I have a couple of things that I might move, like this is a spot treater, this is makeup remover. Back there I have all my oils. On the left hand side it's all my face oils, on the right hand side is my hair oils. Back there is my mascara. Up here is my mostly lip products. This is all like the bronzer, the blush. Back there is like my eyeshadow palettes. That's some extra oil. That's my unnecessary amount of nail polishes. I'm going to reduce that. And that's pretty much my makeup collection, guys. Step number 4, you're actually going to be decluttering as you are separating your items to its proper container. Now, decluttering means something different to everybody. So for me, decluttering means that I'm getting rid of products that I haven't used in a long time, that are maybe expired. And by getting rid of, if it's something like blush that I haven't really used, or maybe nail polish, those things I don't mind giving away. But certain things like mascara or lipstick, there is a hygiene component. You might not want to give those away. You might just want to go ahead and toss those. Okay, guys? Step number 5, time to put everything back. Now that you've done all this hard work, you've separated, you decluttered, you put things in its proper containers, it's time to put things back in order. And now you have a system. Now, if you have a large unit like mine, which probably many people don't, you probably have like maybe a caddy, like a makeup caddy, or maybe you have like just a few you know, stand up units, or maybe like those glass shelving things, or pixie glass shelving things. What you can do is, what I always recommend is, put the products that you use the most on top and the products that you use the least on the bottom. That's just common things, because it's the thing you're pulling out. Make it most convenient for yourself, because that's how you stay organized, by making it realistic and convenient for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you my nice clean makeup unit. So let's go right in. Let's see what's in the first drawer. We have all of our eyeshadow compacts. We have our mascaras. I obviously did a big decluttering. In the second drawer, we have our foundations. This is one of my favorite makeup removers, by the way. And the next drawer, we have our lipsticks. I did a major decluttering of the lipsticks. This was really hard to narrow down. But these are our blushes. Back here are our bronzers, some translucent powder, some highlighters, a little bit more blush. What is this? This is our third drawer. Oh no, it's a fourth drawer. I can't speak. Fourth drawer. This is my favorite oil, which is grapeseed oil. This is a lot of my face oils. Let's see, what is this? This is from my hair. This is castor oil, rosehip oil, my organic rosehip oil. This is one of my favorite face mask. Another one of my favorite face masks. I'm probably gonna get some sheet masks soon to put in here. Then the next one, so I bend down. I gotta find something to organize these nail polishes better with, figure out the situation. But for now, I just took out the nail polishes that I use the most, which are these 4. I usually either wear red, clear, or nude, like this soft pink. And miscellaneous stuff. This is the stuff that I travel with, some extra things, some hair stuff, some lotions. These are some empty bottles. I like to keep these just in case I want to make my own oils. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to know how you're being more conscious, and maybe how you're organizing your home, or maybe even your makeup. And if you're not following me on Instagram, feel free to go ahead and do so at MaryVinRose. I would love to follow you back. So make sure you go ahead and leave me your Instagram down below. Well, that's that, guys. And I hope to see you on the next video. Of course, New York City has the noise in the back. It was good, but I'm so rusty, but I got it, get it, get it, shimmy. Ooh, messing up my hair. No, don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. By the way, if anyone knows Tyler Perry, I feel like this is a character from a Tyler Perry movie. I don't know what I'm gonna call this. Like, I've been doing this pineapple thing. Yes, this is Layla. This is my look, Layla. So if anyone knows Tyler Perry, tell him this look is Layla and she's looking to work.